Welcome to Pelican's How to Replace the HyDryve's core. Make sure you remove the pedal drive from the Kayak before attempting any repairs. In the box you will find the main mechanism. To complete this repair you will need a 15mm wrench, a standard pair of pliers or vice grip, and a Phillips screwdriver. The first thing we need to do is transfer over both pedal arms to the new drive. Ensure that both your HyDryve's are oriented in the same direction. Find the bolt that holds the pedal arm in place on your damaged drive and use your wrench to loosen and remove the bolt. Press and hold down the lever on the inside of the pedal arm to unlock the pin and simply slide it out of the main mechanism. Insert the pedal arm into the new drive by pressing down on the lever and sliding the arm into place. Release the lever and allow the locking pin to slide into the appropriate hole depending on the position you require. Finally, insert the bolt you previously removed and use your wrench to tighten it. Flip your defective drive, remove the second pedal arm, and reinstall it on your new drive by repeating the previous steps. Now it's time to transfer over both fins to the new drive. Once again, ensure that both your HyDryve's are oriented in the same direction. Find the screw at the top of the fin's soft side that holds it in place and use your screwdriver to loosen and remove the screw. Hold firmly onto the fin and slide it down the fin rod. Then use your vice grips on the flat section located near the bottom of the rod to unscrew it. It is normal if you find the rod difficult to unscrew, as thread lock is used during our assembly process. Next, install the rod into your new drive. If you want a longer lasting fit, we recommend that you use non-permanent thread lock on the threads of the rod. Slide the fin over the rod and insert the top part into its retainer. Line up the holes, insert the screw, and tighten. Remove the second fin and reinstall it on your new drive by repeating your previous steps. You are now ready to get back out on the water. Feel free to leave any questions in the comment section below and check out the rest of our how-to video series.